we about to try something new. Welcome back to the ATL, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is the type of content you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I got my Ninja Professional Plus Blender Duo and I wanted to share it with you guys. I only got it for $100. Now I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret on how I got this for $100. So I bought this at Target, and Target offers what you call price matching. So for instance, if you find this exact same model, exact same wording, everything has to be match for match, you can price match this with Target. All you have to do is prove it by going to the website, letting them know the model, the make, and everything like that so that it can match. And what they'll do on their end is they will go to that website and they will look it up and just make sure that it matches. And if it does, voila, you get it for that price. So normally, I think this normally goes for maybe around $160, $170, and Sam's had it on a $99 pricing, and I just had to get it. I just wanted to upgrade to a newer model and something that was a little bit more powerful in crushing ice. And I wanted to get into juicing some pineapples and mangoes and things like that. In the current juicer that I have, you can't really juice those fruits. So this baby right here is going to do the job. And so we are going to unbox this. I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to make me a juice. I'm going to conjure up something. I got some frozen watermelon already cut up, so I'm definitely going to juice those. And I have some ginger right here. I'm going to put the ginger in whole with some water, and I have some limes here. So that's the recipe I'm going to make. I also have some lemons. So I'm going to see the concoction I come up with. And I'm also, if you guys don't notice, I have my new Sigma 16mm lens, and I am trying out today on this video. I will link everything in the description box below for you guys. Let's go. So now that I have this unboxed, I can tell you a little bit about it. The pros that I like about this, it has this very sticky bottom. So if your countertops, mine are just laminated, it sticks to the bottom so it doesn't go everywhere. You see that I'm moving it and it does not move from off the counter. That is a major plus. The second thing is it's easy to attach and lock. And at first I couldn't figure this handle out, but it's a release button, and then you just prop it on to the spout and the spout at the top. Make sure that that is that. You press down and it locks. I love these acrylic cups. This is 21 ounces, and this is an extra one, which is a 16 ounce. You're able to take the blender and blend it for a single size or the batch size. So I'm going to show you its presets. So it has I can barely get it off. It has a smoothie and an extract preset, low, medium, and high, and pulse. So low, medium, high, and pulse. They, when you press it, it goes for 60 seconds on that particular setting. And then on smoothie, it does the auto IQ. So once the blender feels like it is a smoothie texture, then it'll stop. So it'll stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. And then when it completely stops, it's saying, look, I've made you a smoothie. And then it has the extract. Extract, from what I've read, is for leafy greens, kind of like those tougher fruits that may need a little bit more blending, processing, or whatever they call that. That is the extract feature. So I like that, simple, to the point. So those are my pros. The only con I would say about this particular model is it does not have the ice crushing setting. That is it. Let's get into making this watermelon juice. So let's get this ginger in here. Press the release, take this off. I'm just gonna break this up a little bit. I like a lot of ginger, so you know, you can add as much or as little as you like. So here's just some regular water. And I'm gonna get this nice and strained. I'm gonna put it at a pulse so I can kind of control how this goes, because I don't know what I'm doing. Nice cut. Pretty nice cut. I'm liking this. So here is my little strainer here, and I love this one because I can just pour this in the spout and it makes it so much more easier to drain this with. Can y'all see that? I don't think y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see that. All right, so let's strain it. Ooh, that's so easy. Just put this back on. No wasted time here. Look at that. Drain ginger in under a minute. And I'm gonna squeeze this. I love this little thing from SheIn. I think it was like 80 cents. So cheap. Let me get a spoon. So flatten it as much as possible so you can get all that juice of the ginger. That's why I like to add a lot of ginger, because a lot of it gets watered down with the water you put in there. And just like that, you got some ginger right there, boom. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my lime and I'm just gonna squeeze some of these limes in this ginger juice already. I love this. So super easy as well. If you don't have one of these, get you one of these from SheIn. I will link it down in the description box below. But my life, you know, nowadays, I need easy. I need quick. I need fast. But I also need it to be good, okay? And this strainer, I think it was like 80 cents too. And it's so super durable. And it gets the job done. It does what it's supposed to do. It gives what it's supposed to give, okay? Do 3 because lime is not really strong to me. And I really want to give this watermelon juice a nice flavor. So you can add as much or as little as you want. It depends to your liking. Again, do not go by my measurements. This is just what I put in mine and how much I put in mine. So it's up to you. It's fair game when you're juicing. It's fair game when you are doing your own smoothie at home, your own juice at home. You know, I love that you can make it to your liking. All right, so we got it all rinsed off and we are ready to roll, y'all. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I don't know how this is supposed to taste. We're gonna see. It's gonna be my first time trying this combination. I'm always looking at YouTube videos, trying to get different combinations of juices and, you know, using what I have. Like, it's watermelon season over here, and I had bought this huge watermelon, and I really, really wanted to find something to make it with. I'm probably overpacking this, but we're gonna see. If I can't close it, then I'm gonna have to take some out. And easily just adding that juice. And let's see. Pop that on. Yeah, it's a little too much in here, but I'm gonna put it on. It snapped. All right, let's go. We're gonna use the, let's use the smoothie. Let's see what the smoothie does. Let's turn it on and hit smoothie. All right, so that was auto mode. It started, then stopped, started, then stopped. Now, as you can see, there still is some watermelon here up top. That's because I do believe I overcrowded it a little bit. So I'm just gonna add a tinge bit of water to it and then press Auto IQ again and then see what it does. Add just a little bit more water. Smooth. Water. I'm gonna add little bits of water at a time because I don't want it watery. So it's done. So I thought this was gonna be a juice, but it's actually like a slushy because of the iced watermelon. So we're gonna put this into a fancy little wine glass and we're gonna give it a taste test. So this is the texture of the blending of the watermelon. Let's get this, let me clean up. Let me clean up a little bit so y'all can see because this is messy. This here, we're gonna put this here and we're going to strain into our wine glass. Y'all don't know, like, the struggle is real for this to come out of here. So as you can see, the struggle was real getting this out of there. But nevertheless, I got it out. It wasn't a pretty pour or nothing like that. But this is a vlog, y'all. This is a real life vlog and we doing it. We're gonna do it and we're gonna say cheers to this watermelon juice. We're gonna see how it tastes. Very nice. I love the ginger watermelon combination. Very, very nicely well balanced and blended. I am very happy with these results. Let me get me a straw. Yes. Make sure you don't swallow any seeds because I didn't strain this. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video of my unboxing. I look forward to making many other juices with you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you have this Ninja blender. And if you do, what are some recipes that you would recommend? I hope you guys have a blessed and prosperous day, and I'll see you in the next video.